This will be a how-to video on adding an email address to the VersaCall system or to receive emails from alerts and any communications coming from the system. You're going to get up on your Welcome to VT3000 page. You're going to be selecting the core software. We're going to be wanting to go to outputs. You can select over here, or you can navigate using the icons, configuration, outputs. You're going to get this page here, or we're going to see our list of existing outputs, and then over here is how we add new ones. So for this purpose here, we're going to select the email address. You're going to get a page like this. Basically, this is going to be that name that appears on that list. So for here, we're going to do Fondo email. Next is that you're going to put in their email address. So this could be whatever your domain is. Include tagline would mean that you want to have it say that VT3000 notification on the subject line. This will show up for if you're established on your own domain. So for me, I'm not. It's on Outlook's domain, so you would still need to type it in. But if basically it was on the same domain, and you would add Outlook. Your availability down below. So not available would be if they're on vacation. So we're not going to send them any notifications through email. Always means that no matter what time, 24/7, every day of the week, it's going to send an email when there's an active alert. During specific shifts is so if John Doe only works like second shift, we could select our schedule and then just select what shift he works. So now he's only going to get emails during second shift. Once you have this filled in the way you want, you can hit save and add new, which will allow you to add an additional email address. Or you can just hit save and exit. Bring us back to this main page. Now we can see that we have that email that we set up. Over here on our list, it's going to show us the total that we had. So we just increase this by 1. That'll take care of our video on how to add email address. Look forward to talking to you again.